has been parked in a no parking area. It's not unusual to see rules being broken or bent, but there are very few people who will speak out, like our next citizen journalist Gaurav Bakshi. He turned citizen journalist when he was asked to pay a bribe at a Noida registrar office. When he refused, he was physically assaulted and threatened. Gaurav filed an FIR to bring the culprits to book. But in an ironic twist, the same officials are now willing to pay him a bribe of 1,50,000 rupees in the name of compensation to settle this case. An angry Gaurav Bakshi has picked up the mic once again to expose the brazenness of these government officials.
My name is Gaurav Bakshi. I had become a citizen journalist to expose corruption in Noida Sector 33 Registrar's office. This was after I was asked to pay a bribe to register my stepdaughter Azara's adoption deed. I have become a citizen journalist yet again to expose how bribery and corruption is deep-rooted in our system. My first citizen journalist report made some impact. A clerk was suspended for asking me for a bribe, but no action has still been taken against the others. Not the one to give up, I have been following up on my FIR regularly. In February of this year, I was approached by the Noida RWS President, Mr. NP Singh, and AIG Stamps SN Rai, asking me to reach some form of settlement in the case and to withdraw my FIR. From my end, I asked them for a written apology, an assurance that such incidences would not take place again in future in this office, as well as some form of compensation for the damaged personal items including the digital camera, as well as the assault on us that had taken place. A month later, in March, I was called for another meeting at Mr. Singh's residence, where AIG SN Rai, along with two of my witnesses, were also present. At the meeting, I was offered a compensation of 1,50,000 rupees, but in the form of cash. It became clear that I was being offered a bribe of 1,50,000 rupees in the name of compensation to take media attention of this case. Ironically, this was for the very case where I had previously refused to pay a bribe.
We expected them to give it in a way, honorable way, as in a check or reminder, but they refused to do that, and we will not accept cash because this is what we are fighting against.
I immediately decided to bring this entire matter to the notice of the district magistrate and ask for an investigation into this illegal offer of cash. I also included two witness letters to back my claims, but it's been more than a month and still no action has been taken. With the help of CNN IBN, I will now be confronting AIG SN Rai, in whose presence this compensation had been offered to me. काला धन कहाँ से और क्यों ऑफर कर रहे थे आप?
नहीं, काला धन की बात नहीं है। हमने आपसे ये कहा था कि भाई यदि आपकी कोई क्षतिपूर्ति हुई है तो भरपाई की जाएगी।
1.5 लाख रुपए के बारे में बताइए।
कोई जानकारी हमें नहीं।
ये तो आप ऑन कैमरा झूठ बोल रहे हैं। आपने तो पैकेट दिखाया था। पैकेट तो आपने
झूठ बोल रहे हैं।
मेरे पास तो विटनेसेस हैं। आपके पास कौन से विटनेसेस हैं? आपके पास विटनेसेस हैं क्या? I will now be meeting the additional district magistrate, Mr. Shivakant Deveri, who is looking into my complaint.
मैंने नोटिस दिया है दोनों पक्षों को। आप अपना बयान दे दीजिए।
ठीक है।
आप अपना साक्ष्य दे दीजिए। कोई एडिशनल साक्ष्य देना चाहे वो दे दें।
ठीक है।
वही चीज़ मैं उनसे भी करूँगा। जो हमारी फाइंडिंग होगी, वो फाइंडिंग हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट को भेजेंगे। 1 महीने के बीच का टाइम लग सकता है।
Even as the entire country unites against corruption, it's ironic that government departments continue to be bogged down by red tape in a big way. In my case, media pressure has definitely speeded up the entire progress of the case. This is Gaurav Bakshi. I'm a citizen against corruption.